Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming a clear sky view and entering the satellite's azimuth and elevation into the finder. This gives a directional baseline. Once done, mount the finder on the mast and secure power. Use a 12V source or a reliable adapter so readings stay stable. Make sure the LNB is connected to the finder and the finder to the receiver because the device needs signal feedback to display strength. These steps get you immediate, usable data and prevent back-and-forth adjustments later. You move from course to fine alignment by first rotating the dish to the rough azimuth and setting elevation to the nearest degree. That places you in the satellite's corridor. Then, sweep slowly left and right about 5 degrees while watching SNR and signal strength bars. This finds the energy peak. Once you see a stable rise, switch to fine mode or enable the audio tone so you can hear micro improvements. That helps you maximize signal without overcorrecting and reveals subtle skew or polarization adjustments. You finish by tightening dish bolts gradually while maintaining the peak signal. Do a quick recheck after each turn so nothing shifts. Once mechanically secure, fine-tune LNB skew or focus to squeeze extra SNR because slight polarization errors can cut quality. Then verify actual channels on the receiver to confirm a complete lock. If the receiver fails to lock, reboot it and rerun the finder sweep. A common troubleshooting tip: if signal drops suddenly, check coax runs and power at the LNB first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.